right, welcome back, everyone. It's Saturday afternoon. Coming back to my channel. My chair's a little squeaky today. I really appreciate all the subscribers. I've been really excited about how well things are going on my channel. And today I was going to talk a little bit about understanding how to play some chicken picking, southern rock country style licks, and the music theory that's behind them, because a lot of these licks have very similar ideas. A lot of times I see videos on YouTube and people are demonstrating the lick themselves. They'll just be showing what fret to play and what string to play, but they don't really show how to build the lick, how you construct it, and probably the people that made the licks really famous, how they came about it. It's probably people like Roy Nichols, James Burton, maybe Albert Lee, a lot of those early country guys that played with Merle Haggard. And then we can hear some of those same influences in Duane Allman and Dickie Betts, other people that have a little bit of a country blues